Hello, smart kids! Today, we will learn bird names. Let's learn together. Children, our first bird is sparrow. Repeat with me. Sparrow. Children, this bird is hen. Repeat with me. Hen. Children, this bird is crow. Repeat with me. Crow.
Crow.
Children, this bird is pigeon. Repeat with me. Pigeon. Children, this bird is duck. Repeat with me. Duck. Children, our next bird is parrot. Repeat with me. Parrot. Children, this bird is peacock. Repeat with me. Peacock. Children, this bird is eagle. Repeat with me. Eagle. Great job, smart kids. Today we learned bird names. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.